Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Texas weather, but I don't like it. And I feel like it's keeping me in the mind frame of comfort food. So I decided to make some chili. Don't judge me. So I'm going to share with my besties how I made it. I used one whole onion, a whole green bell pepper, and then I used 2 jalapeno peppers. Make sure y'all remove the seeds and then just chop it just like you chop all your other seasonings. So we're going to use 2 pounds of ground meat and we're going to brown that down. Then in a separate pan, we're going to use our onions and bell peppers and we're going to cook that down, let it get soft, and we're going to add 1 can of tomato paste. When we add this tomato paste, here's the thing. You want to make sure you add water a little at a time. We don't want this thing to be too thick, but we don't want it to be loose either. We want it like right in the middle. So once our ground meat is brown all the way down, we're going to combine the two. And y'all, let me tell you how, I ain't even going to talk about this spoon. It just really pissed me off. But I'm going to put it back together and I'm going to keep going. So we're going to add 2 cans of petite diced tomatoes, 2 cans of tomato sauce. Stir it up, and it's your time where you can add beans if you want. Some people like beans, some people don't. Then this one you want to add your jalapenos and you want to start adding your seasoning. You want to let this simmer for 2 hours, y'all. That's it. Set it, forget it, come back, plate it up. You all good to go.